This new AI tool can create faceless videos. So right now, you do not need to do it one after the other, get images here. No, you just need to get your ideas and it will create a video for you. I will be showing you the 2 steps how to get your ideas into this new AI tool and also how to create a full video using this exact tool. No stress, just straight to the point. So right now, let's dive into the video. Are you ready? Let's go. You can now create faceless videos and also do your niche research very easily using this new Google tool. All you need to do is to go to your browser and search Google NotebookLM. Now, this is how to use it. Pay attention because if you don't know how to use this tool, it will look a little complicated, but no, it is very easy, alright, and will make your faceless journey a very good one. Whether you are going to faceless or face, this is the perfect tool that YouTube just brought out right now. So right here, once you come into Google NotebookLM, they will ask you to sign in using your Gmail. Of course, you sign in, right? And here you have your interface looking like this. Now click on sources. Okay, it will be on charts by default, and we have studio right here, but no, simply click on sources. I will start by showing you how to do your niche research, how to brainstorm if you want to start a new YouTube channel, and from here I will show you the next one, which is how to create your videos now using this tool. So here in sources, right now, this is where I'll add my sources. How do you do your niche research? I'll go over to YouTube right now. You can use this for your any other niche, okay, but let me just assume that I want to start faceless YouTube channel. What do I search right now? Okay, African folktale. For example, I want to start African folktale, right? Okay, so right here, let me see the channel that are doing well. Okay, this channel just started and African folktale is actually a good niche right now. This one too just started. These days, small channels are ranking. As you can see, the first channels that I saw are small channels. Even this one, wow, and this channel is getting a lot of views. So all I will do is just to click here. Remember, I just typed on this right here, this channel right here, and then I'll click on these 3 dots, click on share, and then I'll copy the link of this channel. I'll come over to here and add my sources. This is one of the sources right here, and then I'll add it to my sources. Next one, I'll go to the videos the channel already created. This channel is doing well. Wow, African folktale is actually doing well these days. I want to paste this link. Okay, so this is how I'll do it. I'll still go back again. I want to copy this viral one. I'll copy right here. I'll paste. When you paste, you click on, I will show you when I do the next one. Let me check any viral one again. This video went viral. Okay, this one, but this one has 100 and okay, let me use this one. Okay, you can copy as many as possible, alright? So right now, I'll paste this one. Once you paste it, you click on this blue arrow right here to add to sources. So once we are done adding our sources, you can add more, alright? Because the bigger, the better, alright? Now, as you can see right here, Google LM is already analyzing this channel, even without me telling it anything. From our sources, right here, it says 4 sources. Can you see it? This is it right here. Now, I'll tell you that I want to go into YouTube automation and creating this type of video. I want to start YouTube. And create this type of video and create this type of videos. Analyze this channel for me. Now you no longer have to stress to do anything. Analyze this channel strategies for me and its video content. Okay, let me just do it one after the other, right? Strategies. Once it's done now, I'll tell it to analyze the video strategies, the strategies that this channel uses to create its videos to get people to click and watch. Okay, go through this, but let me go ahead and tell it the next thing. So it's analyzed it already. I will now tell it to analyze the strategies the creator uses for the videos. Now it is analyzing everything for me. You don't need any stress. As you can see, high stakes narrative hooks, betrayal discovery. Now once you can ask lots more questions, because once you are doing niche research, you have a lot of questions to ask. All right, now the next step you need to do, if you don't know how to do your niche research, make sure that you already got my YouTube course, right? Make Millions with Faceless YouTube channel. It is a must have if you are going into Faceless YouTube YouTube channel. Check the link in the description box. I will leave it there so you can access the course right now and start. You need the course to start and do your niche research very well, alright, to know the exact niche to pick. So now I'll go ahead to tell it to write a script for me. Write a script for my next video, using this channel's strategy. Okay, you see now I'm no longer stressing myself. Everything is being done for me. It will write a good story script for me right now and will create video immediately, just like that, right? So this is it right here, video title. It will give you the title, tell it to give you the description, everything. See it right here. It has done everything for me right now. The niche research, every single thing has been done. Now this is the second part of this video. Let me show you exactly how you can be able to create a video using this exact tool. The next thing right now is to create video. Now I'll go over to studio right here. Remember, first is the source, second is the chart, and the last is the studio. Now I will click here, and over here you can choose the language you want the video to have, alright, and now you can choose the visuals right here, alright, and also whether it is standard. I'll leave it at that. As you can see, our three sources are here. I'll just leave it at that, okay, and then I'll describe the infographic I want to create. Let me just say use just as the sources videos. Then I'll click on generate. Our video is generating right now, so we will have to wait for our video to generate. And this is not all. You can also create more videos using this website. Right now you can click on audio overview. This is for audio. You can get the audio and now use it as a voiceover. Right now they will ask you series of questions, a lively conversation between two hosts, unpacking and connecting topics in your sources. Okay, there are so many options right here, and you can also add your own. What should the AI host focus on in this episode? So if you already have a script, you can just add it right here and then click on generate. That is not all. You can also come to video overview. If you want to create videos, right now you come here. If you want it to be a explainer video, if you want it to be short, you select it. From the three sources, they will ask you more questions right here. I'll select this one. I'm already creating right now, but I'll still create another one. They said I should describe my own topic, but right now I will not describe any topic. I'll just let them to generate, so we'll see exactly what it will generate. All right, as you can see, three things are generating right now. Let me see if this one is done. Now our infographic is done, our explainer video is done, and also the next one, which is our short, is also done. As you can see, the short is 1 minute 20 seconds and that of the explainer video is almost 10 minutes. This is beautiful and it takes like 5 minutes to generate. All right, so once you generate everything and then go about your whatever you are doing and give it time, right? Do not rush it or think that it is not working. It is working, and I didn't pay anything, right, to start creating this video. So let's get to the first one, which is this one right here, the infographic, right? So this is the infographic. Now we have seen this one. The next one is the short video, right? Let's see the short video. Okay, so I'll put this at the end of this video so you can be able to watch. Let me click on these three dots and download, right? So this is how you download it. Let's go ahead and see the next one. Okay, save. Okay, so now as you can see, it has created the video for you. Now the next one is the explainer video. Let's watch it and see how it is. Wow, this is beautiful. It's up to 9 minutes, and as you can see, it is creating the video. Wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. I'll go ahead to download it, cut the clips of it and put at the end of the video. All right, so you can go ahead, watch it and start creating. So right now, faceless creators don't need to do much. All you just need to do is to use this, get your ideas, do everything, and now you have to re-edit this. Yes, it will give you these videos, but you have to re-edit it, right? Make sure to re-edit, add things that needs to be added, remove things that needs to be removed, add human touch to these videos before you upload on YouTube. And yes, it is monetizable if you follow these steps that I just mentioned right now. So no more excuses for you. Start creating. This is free as of now that you are seeing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Success Amarachi channel on YouTube for more videos like this that will help you start and grow your channels. You're welcome.
So have you ever wondered what actually happens when our absolute worst traits, things like deep-seated insecurity, calculated betrayal, or even just weaponized laziness, take the wheel in a relationship? Like, how long can someone realistically run from these fatal flaws before they inevitably catch up to them? Well, we are about to explore 3 incredibly juicy real-life case studies that answer exactly that. You're definitely going to want to stick around for this. Here's how we're breaking it all down today. First up, Tale 1, the silence exit. All right, let's jump right into Tale 1, the silent exit. So this is the story of Sharon. For 2 whole years, she sacrificed literally everything to save up for a wedding with her fiancé, Emmanuel. One woman secretly drained her entire life savings for a BBL, just to defeat her husband's side chick. But there was one massive problem. The side chick didn't actually exist. It all started when she saw her husband laughing at a coworker's joke. Fueled by pure insecurity, she
Right now, you have everything that you need to start and build a YouTube automation channel. You have no excuse not to start. Faceless videos is now created very easily. So all you need to do is to get this tool and start now. I know you love this video and you'd like to see more of my videos. So like this video, subscribe to this channel and make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out any of my videos. I am Success and I wish you success. I will see you in the next one. Bye.